your table comes down, you started this and you brought this upon yourself, mister. Hey.
Oh, he knows. Oh, God. He scared me because he's so quick. I'm not used to that. Ren was just...
He's fast. You had an old
quick.
lady.
I had an old lady.
He really is fast. I should have brought that cat teaser for him.
He's going to, like, attack my hands. So
He'll
I'm just,
fly off of there. He doesn't think about consequences.
Look, he's looking in there like... You're going to go in the bathroom and jump on the vanity, aren't you? Yep, of course, he's got a plan. Wow, he's so fast. Oops. Get it. No. Okay, you're warming up. It's
Get him,
okay
Dopey.
here.
Gotta psych him up. Get him, Dopey. Get him. Get him, Dopey. Go get him. Yep, there you go. There you go. Get him, Dopey. Get him. Oh, there you go, Dopey.
Oh, he slides. Cheers.
Yeah, he's a
That's
drifter.
Awesome. Oh, you're going to go behind the door? Oh, get it.
Get him, Dopey.
Oh, he's going to shake his butt.
Dopey.
Get it. Oh, look, that is so fun. Quick, he's sliding around on this rug.
I got it on tape.
Oh, it's in his mouth. And then he dropped it.
I know, I see this every day.
It's so cute. He's sliding on the shell rug. Like, psh,
I'm getting this on tape.
I'm so happy that I can bring him here and you still get to enjoy him sometimes.
Yeah. Oh, there he goes on the toilet. Look, look.
Is the lid down?
Yeah.
Okay, that's like my biggest fear. I don't want him to drown.
He might go in the tub. That might be a...
I don't care.
No, it's a reminder of Ren. Remember? And we hear meow. We're like, there's a cat in the tub.
Hi,
Oh,
honey.
he's gonna jump on the vanity. He
Hi,
keeps
honey.
looking up there.
What you doing?
Oh, sorry.
Uh-oh.
Hi, mister. Hey, look at, there's your mouse. Under the
Get your
table.
mouse.
He sits on it and then he hits it with his back. Yeah, like that.
Oh, that reminds me of Ren right there.
Hi, honey. Get your mouse. Get it, Dopey. Get him.
Get it, Dopey. Get it, Dopey. Get it, Dopey. I'm just worried because you got sharp claws. Dopey.
Yeah, that cut on my hand hurts pretty bad. When I was driving over here, I kept bumping it on the
Look at
steering
this.
wheel.
Oh. Ooh.
He likes the tail of this thing.
Oh, I love how he just slides. He's like,
He does because of that. You've seen the hair on him.
yeah, he just slides. And when he comes down those stairs, I've never seen a cat go that
Hi, honey.
fast.
Look at his paws.
Yeah,
They're hairy underneath. Oh, sorry, honey. Did you see all that long hair that sticks off of him? He has hairy fucking
You're
paws.
recording. I'm gonna get our corn ready. Oh, good. The rain quit, Court.
Oh, good.
Woohoo! Barbecue! Oh.
You caught him.
I got that.
Nice.
Go get him. Go get him, Toby. Go get him. Toby, get it.
Get the ball. Oh, it's raining again.
I got him holding the ball.
Yep, me too. I've got a couple pictures of him with that ball in his mouth. He is so cute. He really
I
is.
know, I like hot. Right? It's like, so
cheap, yeah.
to get some corn going. Is he still hanging out?
He's under the table.
So cute. He is. He's adorable.
He's in the little container. He was just in the little container.
I see him under there.
Oh, I know, it's awesome. You gotta watch it. We're gonna start it over for you, though.
Oh, open them. Yeah, I remember I remember you going, oh, he's calling, so I thought it was.
I was like, you know what? That was nice.
I go to see him. Get some more meat, because I added 2 more people. I said, we're Matt, and I didn't know Matt had been up. But Matt, he said, okay, I'll get some more. So I thought, get as many boxes as you want, and you can get 2 home. Got some food. It's starting to rain again. He's such a liberal guy.
He's playing.
You know what? It's a new place. So
And
he's
if
gonna
he comes here
explore.
more often too,
Just bring your little box.
Yeah.
That's all you have to do. If you ever want to bring him in, don't feel like everyone will want him. You can come here, just bring him box.
Because then I figured he can't be mad. He can't put potty in your house. He'll have a box, and he's always been good about using it.
He went in it, he didn't go, but as long as he doesn't see the houses,
I totally get it.
So with the other ones, I didn't have to worry about it.
I know, because she was always here.
Yeah.
Cats don't travel much.
I just get to the corner.
I
Oh, you should corn. This is sweet.
Oh, you should walk corn.
I was telling my dad how I could always like come from my house.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I'll send him home with food and cheese and stuff. I know. How's he doing?
Adorable. Hiding back there.
Hi, Dopey. Well, good.
Dopey. You know what this is. Come here. Hey, honey. If I can get this open. Dopey. Hey. Hey, Timmy, you want to give him one?
Yeah.